Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we have a nice problem. Here we have to simplify square root of 3 minus 2 into square root of 2. Okay, so let's start. Let square root of 3 minus 2 into square root of 2 is equal to square root of a minus square root of b. Fine. On squaring both the sides, square root of 3 minus 2 into square root of 2 whole square is equal to square root of a minus square root of b whole square. Fine. Now we have remained 3 minus 2 square root of 2 is equal to a plus b minus 2 square root of ab. Fine. On equating, real and imaginary parts, on equating real and imaginary parts, right? So a plus b is equal to 3. Fine. And minus 2ab will be equal to this. Minus 2 square root of ab is equal to minus 2 square root of 2. Fine. So 2 square root of ab will be equal to 2 square root of 2. Fine. So square root of ab is equal to square root of 2. Right. So ab will be equal to 2. Here b is equal to 3 minus a, right? Now a, b is equal to this. So 3 minus a is equal to 2, right? So 3a minus a square is equal to 2. If we rearrange the equation, a square minus 3a plus 2 is equal to 0, right? If we equate this equation with the standard quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, right? So x is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. Fine. Now if we take this equation, so a will be equal to minus 3 square root of minus 3 square minus 4 into 1 into 2 over 2 into a is 1, right? So a is equal to 3 plus minus square root of 9 minus 8 over 2. Fine. So a is equal to 3 plus minus 1 over 2, right? So a is equal to, if we take plus sign, so a will be equal to 2. If we take minus sign, so a is equal to 1. Fine. H we have equation first, a plus b is equal to 3, right? Equation first. So 2 plus b, this is equal to 3 or b is equal to 1. Fine. Again, a is equal to 1. So 1 plus b is equal to 3. B is equal to 2. Right? So 2, 1 and 1, 2 are values of AB respectively. Okay. So square root of 3 minus 2 square root of 2 is equal to square root of A plus square root of B. Fine. So simplified form of this will be square root of 2 plus square root of 1 is equal to square root of 2 plus 1. Right? So simplified form, this is the simplified form of this. Okay. Thank you friends.